Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. 16 divided by 8 divided by 4 divided by 2. Now 16 divided by 8 gives us 2. 4 divided by 2 gives us 2. And now 2 divided by 2 gives us 1. But this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics, when we have more than one division in one expression, we have to solve from left to right. Now, 16 divided by 8 gives us 2. Now, 2 divided by 4 gives us 2 over 4. Now 2 over 4 divided by 2. According to the KCF, keep first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the next fraction. So keep first fraction 2 over 4, change division to multiplication, and flip the next fraction 2 over 1, 1 over 2. Now we can simplify this expression. 2 divided by 2 gives us 1, and 2 divided by 2 gives us 1. Now we have 1 times 1 gives us 1, and 4 times 1 gives us 4. The final answer is 1 over 4. Thank you for watching.